Welcome to Data Labs, the podcast where we at BizTory share bite-sized tips and topics on data and analytics. I'm your host, Mark, and today we're tackling a special, maybe slightly odd topic: why you should not build your own data pipelines. Yes, you heard that right. On this episode, we'll explore what data pipelines are, why you should not always build your own custom data pipelines. The main reason is that designing a robust and reliable data pipeline, which can scale with demand, is not a simple thing to do. It's time-consuming and costly. The good news is, there are other ways. Let's dive in. First, let's get clear on what data pipelines are. A data pipeline is a series of processing steps with three main components: extracting the data from the source system, transforming the data, and loading the data into the destination system. In this order, it is commonly referred to as ETL, transforming the data whilst it is in transit and hasn't yet been loaded into the destination. An alternative method is ELT, extract, load, transform, where data is transformed after being loaded into the destination. Typically, data pipelines are set up to move data from business applications or OLTP databases to a data warehouse to use for analytics. Once the data from your various applications are in your data warehouse, it becomes a lot more valuable. Data pipelines are essential for combining data sources, creating KPIs, metrics, and dashboards, enabling better data-led decisions and business growth. By joining your different data sources together, creating KPIs, metrics, and dashboards, you can make better data-led decisions, resulting in better growth of your business and discovering new business opportunities. By reducing time to insights with robust data pipelines and analytics processes, you can quickly adapt to market changes and trends, making you more relevant, competitive, and profitable. When you start looking at the market for how you can build out your data pipelines, there are so many different options. Which do you go for? Open source versus managed, or code versus low code, or maybe even no code at all, or on-premise versus cloud? Building your own data pipeline might sound like the best idea at first. You get full control over what data you bring in, what you do with it in transit, customize it however you want, and choose what infrastructure you want it to run, scale on. It could possibly even save you money in the long run over a managed solution. However, there are several reasons why you shouldn't build your own. Let's dive a little deeper into that now. Building your own data pipelines might seem appealing because of the control it offers, but it comes with significant challenges. First of all, the complexity and cost. Designing a robust and scalable pipeline is complex and time-consuming. You need to choose the right tools, learn new methods, and architect the necessary infrastructure. Secondly, maintenance. Continuous monitoring is required to ensure pipelines work as expected, which can be resource-intensive. Another important one to consider is skill requirements. You'll need a team of skilled professionals to manage and troubleshoot pipelines, which increases costs. Lastly, data issues. Any issues in the pipeline can cause data inconsistencies or loss, affecting downstream analytics processes. So hopefully now you have a good understanding of why building your own data pipelines is not always a good idea. But what do we recommend? Using a third-party managed tool can save you time and money. These tools come with many pre-built connectors, allow for quick data ingestion, and are maintained by the provider. For example, Fivetran offers over 200 managed connectors, automatic schema migrations, and real-time data ingestion. This approach frees up your data engineers to focus on adding value to your data rather than maintaining pipelines. Building your own data pipelines has its benefits, but unless you have a large, dedicated team, a managed solution is often the better choice. It reduces complexity, maintenance, and costs, allowing your team to focus on more valuable tasks. Thanks for tuning into Data Labs. By understanding the challenges and benefits of data pipelines, you can make better decisions for your data strategy. Join us next time for more insights into the world of data. For more details, check out the full blog post at BizTory.